Hello, little artists. Welcome back. Let's have fun together. Wow, look at these colorful paint caps. Can you name the colors? Let's arrange them one by one. Red, blue, yellow, orange. So colorful. Keep watching. More bright colors are joining our collection. Awesome. Now all the colors are ready. Which one is your favorite? Let's move them to the side and get ready to draw something exciting. Take your black marker. We're starting with a big, nice circle. Draw slowly. Keep the circles smooth and round. Great job! Perfect! Our big circle is ready. Now draw the first straight line inside the circle. Excellent! Add another straight line right next to it. Keep adding neat lines. Wow, it's looking amazing already. Fantastic work, little artists. Stay tuned for the next step, where we'll make it even more colorful. Don't forget to like, subscribe,
purple color, green color, red color, yellow color, orange color, blue color,